Hello, Forest Area District community. We've had an incredible year filled with amazing achievements by our students, alumni, and staff. In this newsletter, we're excited to highlight our students' successes, as well as celebrate their hands-on learning opportunities that have earned them state and local recognition. From a community quilt project and a new logo for Tionesta Borough to fantastic art shows and captivating drama performances, our students have truly shined. Our district choir members participated in the PMEA District 3 Choir. Izzy Flick achieved 300 career strikeouts, and our tech ed students showcased their creativity in building multiple amazing projects. Students participated in a variety of STEAM opportunities. What an amazing way to keep our students engaged. As a class project, our 3rd and 4th graders designed their own games. Wow, 3rd and 4th graders writing code is quite an accomplishment. On Tuesday, May 7th, 8 students from East Forest participated in the Komatsu Fluid Power Challenge in Rocky Grove. The Fluid Power Action Challenge is a STEM-based competition that challenges middle school students to solve an engineering problem using fluid power. West Forest's Haley Van Dyke was named the secondary level winner for her logo design, submitted for the PA STEM logo competition. To our 2024 graduates, we celebrate your achievements and look forward to your bright futures. Embrace every opportunity with the passion and determination that brought you here. We'd like to recognize our school's valedictorians, East Forest, Kaylee Rook, and West Forest, Jessica Culver, as well as our school's salutatorians, East Forest, Kendra Carroll, and West Forest, Isabel Flick. Way to go, ladies! We would like to acknowledge 2 of our amazing alumni in this newsletter issue, Dr. Wanda Graham Swiger and Dr. Nicholas B. Pop O'Leo. These 2 have made some pretty amazing accomplishments, and we are proud to have them as part of the Forest Area community. We also honor our retirees for their dedication and contributions. Thank you for your hard work and passion. Good luck in your future endeavors. This completes our Summer 2024 updates. We look forward to seeing our returning students in the fall.